Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Storm knocked out the power to hundreds of the thousands across South United States with the high winds. Hundreds of the thousands of the people were without power Wednesday night as severe weather produced tornadoes, high winds and large hail that prompted more than 250 storm reports in the South United States. As of 10 p.m. ET, more than 238,000 homes and businesses in the region were in the dark, primarily in Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, and Texas, according to the tracking site poweroutage.us. There were at least 8 tornado reports and 85 reports of hail, according to the Storm Prediction Center. Almost 10 million people were under severe thunderstorm watch, meaning the risk of hazardous weather was high, but where and when the storm will hit are uncertain. Severe storms will be possible well into tonight, officials in the National Weather Service tweeted Wednesday. The Weather Service office in Mobile, Alabama, reminded residents to be prepared. Severe thunderstorms continue to move across the area this evening, the office said, urging those in the area to check local television stations, weather apps, or NOAA weather radio to stay informed. In Texas, Cass County, which borders Arkansas and Louisiana, vehicles were blown off a highway. In Albany, Georgia, 2 people were in a house that was destroyed by a storm. According to the National Weather Service's Storm Prediction Center, around 5 million people in the parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and Georgia were under enhanced risk for storm into the morning hours Thursday. There have been more 150 high wind reports across the South as of Wednesday night, including 82 miles per hour winds in the Cleveland, Mississippi, faster than 74 miles per hour threshold for hurricane force winds. Brooksville, Mississippi reported 5-inch hail Wednesday evening, and there was 4-inch hail in Durham, Georgia, and Crystal Springs and Slaptown in Arkansas. And the storms won't end Wednesday. Another round is expected to impact the South on Thursday. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.